Hey guys, so some exciting unboxing today. I got my Diamond Art Club package in today. So in this video I will be doing an unboxing and maybe a kitting up, we'll see, but definitely unboxing one of my favorite ones I've gotten so far. I can't wait to do it, so stay tuned to see that unboxing. So here we go. We're going to unbox what I got from Diamond Art Club today. It came in the mail, so I haven't even opened it. It is one of the new Halloween ones, so it's a limited edition. If you want to get it before it's sold out or before they discontinued it, there's a link down below. And if you're a first-time purchaser from Diamond Art Club, you can get a little bit of a discount. But if not, you can still go there and purchase it through that way. So I got the Beekeeper Witch, Izzy, by Erika Goober. Okay. Well, she goes by Erika Goober, but she's actually Erika Wiseman, is the artist. It is a round drill, as you can see with Diamond Art Club. It has a circle, so it means it's round. So if you've never purchased before or you're not used to a Diamond Art Club box, you will know by what kind of shape it is by, there's either a square here or a circle, and that depends on what you purchase. I prefer round, but you can do square. The box just gives you little details about what's in it, how to do it, and some other information. But this is what we're going to be unboxing. Isn't she super cute? I'm so excited. I love the witch. There's a bunch of different ones I love, but this one I had to get. It would go good in my Harry Potter area. To me, it kind of reminds me of like maybe Ginny Weasley or one of the Weasley characters. So I really wanted to get it, and I can't wait to do it. I've been waiting all week. So it does come with plastic wrap on it. That I thought I opened good enough, but I did not. So we'll just unwrap that. Oh, that hurt my hand. That was loud too, probably. And then we'll unbox it. So, some funness going on. Alright, so you get everything you need to create this project. So if you're new to diamond painting, with this company you get everything you need to create this project. You don't have to buy anything extra. So with diamond painting, there are a bunch of extra things you can buy. You don't have to. I don't personally buy a lot of extra stuff, but there's a whole bunch you can get into. It's just like any craft. But I just use the regular stuff that comes with it. So with Diamond Art Club, they give you this cute little sticker sheet. So you get this big, nice sticker, and then your key chart over here that you can use to cut and put on your little boxes or bags to keep up with your symbols. Then they also give you this cute little nice other sticker that if you keep a logbook or a journal of all the diamond paintings you do, you can put that sticker right there, and it shows you that you've created that one. It gives you a little bit of detail. So I really like this with this company, that they have the stickers to go with it. You can use the sticker for something else. It's really neat that they give you the sticker. They also give you your little toolkit, and in your toolkit it can vary from what you get. In this one, you get a multi-placer. So you get a 4 multi-placer, and I'll explain what that is in a second. You get a blue diamond painting single tip pen. You get your pencil grip or pen grip, whatever you want to call it. I call it a pencil grip because that's what it reminds me of, is a pencil grip that we used when we were little. You get 2 wax hearts. So this is what you use to pick up the diamonds. And they give you, it looks like they've given you more baggies. Ooh, last time I did not get this many baggies. So They've upped their baggies, so I use the bags when I'm finished to store them away. I don't use them when I'm diamond painting. If you use them when you're diamond painting, you can put those stickers right on there and then pour the bags, diamonds in there. Now, and a tray, and they give you a clear tray, which is nice so you can see all your drills you get. Now, if I can get so your pencil grip just usually slides on there, but for some reason, this one is not sliding on there tonight. I don't know, I'll have to work with that later. Might be a little odd cut or something. But yeah, it usually just slides on there and goes all the way down to the bottom, okay? Now, the multi-placer just goes on the end of the tip, so there's a hole, as you can see, and you just put your multi-placer in there, and this one you're able to pick up 4 of them. Now, this one is the skinnier one, and a lot of people like these skinnier ones. I personally like them. They don't hold as much of the drill, so when you're placing them down, you can see where you're placing your drills better. So I really like these thin multi-placers. It looks like Diamond Art Club has gotten a few of them, so that's neat. If you want a link from Amazon to them, I can give that to you. I might put it down in the below, but there is a link to these multi-placers to Amazon, so that's neat. So that is your toolkit. Now let's get into the exciting part of the canvas, okay? So this is a 22 by 22, so it's a nice square shape, and it comes nice and round, rolled up in another plastic bag, and then the drills are usually in there. So with Diamond Art Club, this is a material that feels velvety on the back. So some of my other companies are not like that, but this does feel like a velvet to the back, and that's really nice. Okay, so I'm going to open this up. Let me tilt you down a little so y'all can see how gorgeous she looks already. Okay, so isn't she gorgeous? Oh, look at her. Isn't she pretty? Now there's a lot of blue. The blue background, her blue jeans. But, oh my gosh, I'm super excited to start this one. I can't wait. It is just so pretty and gorgeous. Now, I don't know if you can see that I've noticed Diamond Art Club's canvas right here is glittery. So when you look at it, it looks like glitter paint or something. Okay? Even over here is glittery. So again, when you're doing this, if you've never diamond painted before, on the canvases, they have 2 ledgers. They have one on this side, on the top, and then they have one down here on the bottom. And that's really nice. So like if you're working up here, you can look over here or down here, and you can tell how clear it is for you to see how to put them on there. That's how clear Diamond Art Club's printing is. It is a pour glue, okay? So that's really nice. And you see how it's kind of rolled up down here at the bottom? So what I do is I lay it on its side on the bottom sometimes and put a book on it overnight. If I'm not working on it, like tonight, I might put a book over it and it'll flatten out. If you have a really nice tight one, you can just do a nice roll back to flatten it out. But I just usually put books on it and it flattens it out. So very clear symbols, very nice. See if I can get it there. Very nice. See how clear those are? There it is. See how clear? Oh, it didn't focus. Focus again. There it is. So it's focusing in and out, but how focused when it's focused, clear those symbols are, and just how gorgeous this is. Okay. Of course, you get your drills. So this one does have AB. It tells you on the box, if you're a fan of AB, how many drills are AB. So on the box, it usually tells you that they have AB in them. Looks like this one might only be 1 AB, but there might be 2. But it looks like there's only 1 AB, and it's orange, it looks like. So this one only has 1 AB. I'm not going to open it because I never can get these back in there. but this is how they come, and they have the numbers on them. So like 3841 is this light blue, and then the next color is either the same color, and then the next one is 3325. So what those numbers are the numbers that you can match up to the color code. So the color code is like if you do multiple kits and you have blue in another kit, you can put all your 3325s in there. It's kind of like when you are cross stitching and you have the color code for your string. That's what this is. Technically, these colors match up, the MC colors match up to the string for cross stitching, because I've done that before. But I just wanted to show you this unboxing tonight. It is really awesome. So thanks for joining me. Again, I'm going to put the link down below to this one if you want to purchase this one. I'm going to put a link if you want to just purchase the 4-placer from Amazon, and then a link just to DAC if you're a first-time buyer to get a little bit of a discount. But again, this is Erika Wiseman's Izzy the Beekeeper, and it is amazing. I love it. I follow Erika on Instagram. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and a little bit of detail from Diamond Art Club, and stay tuned for the kitting up.